Hello, welcome to my D-stash. I have my first canvas to show you. And it is Mary, Did You Know? I like this. It's just got a lot of dark colors for me. And it will take me a long time to do it. So I don't see me completing this one. So let me bring you here. This is an older kit. It comes with the tool kit, the baggies, the pen, everything in here. And it has, there was no card. I'll have to look and see if it did come with one. If it did, it's probably a bronze. And if I can find it, I will put it in here. It has 35 colors. And see, they're kind of dark. There is a few bright ones. Let's see, we got one AB and no fairy dust. So maybe I'll include some fairy dust. I'll take a look at the colors, and maybe I'll include some fairy dust for the rays. You let me know. So you want to know how much it is? Send me your offers. Okay? No reasonable offer will be refused. Just send me your offer. If you're interested, let me know. Buyers do pay for shipping, so keep that in mind. Okay. Oh, this is going to be pretty, but like I said, it's a lot of, this is all black, and the C is 939, and then V is 823. So this is all dark. Yeah, it's a little too dark for me. And there is one AB, and that is a white one. This canvas is a 16 by 5 by 22.4 inches. And this depicts Mary holding her son Jesus, and the rays coming off. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. Okay, this is your diamonds. I'm not gonna pull them out because let's take a look at the diamonds. Let's get a close look at them. Look at all the dark. See all the dark? And it does have some bright colors here. So I might add a few baggies of fairy dust. You let me know if you want them. Okay, if this is one that you want, just let me know if you want me to add some. And I will definitely look in my stash to see what I have. This is the AB. It's the white, which is very pretty, which is going to be all in, oh, you can't see it. All around the baby Jesus and here. That's all this white AB, and it highlights the rays. This might not need to be blinged up. Where they have the ABs is perfect. So I don't know that you're really going to need anything else. But if this is a kit you want, send me your offer. You're paying for shipping. And let me know if you want me to add ABs to this or fairy dust. I think I have both. So just let me know. What else can I tell you about this kit? 35 colors, 1 AB, does not come with fairy dust, and I did not see a treasure quest card in here. Now when I got my box, I did notice that one or two of the kits from my mystery box, which is where I got this, did not have a card. So I wonder if this was one of them. This has the white putty twist and pick pen. This has a bag of baggies, and it's got more white putty. This is not the clear, it's the white. The smaller tray, because I guess they consider this a smaller kit. So they're guessing, they're suggesting it's a smaller kit. It has a 7-placer, and it's a thin one. I like these. And it has one of these tips. You can switch out this tip for the metal one. And we have red heart wax. I like the red wax better than this white putty. But you might like the other, and that's fine. That is fine. I mean, we are all different, and we like different things. And that's what makes the world go around. Okay. There we go. There's that. There's the bag of baggies. And your pen. You will get everything you need to diamond paint this painting. So there you go. Here are your drills, your toolkit. You get your shelf. I don't know. Let me know if you want this shelf too, because this adds some weight to it, and I can just throw it all in. But you just let me know what you want, and I will customize it for you. So again, this is Mary Did You Know by Mandie Manzano. Let me know in the comments if you would like this one, and email me pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com. Let me know if you want it. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and be kind.